The world's first millionaire, John Rockefeller, once said, "He who works all day has no time to make money." Smart thought, but let's admit it, it's also a risky mindset if you don't play it right. So here's the deal. Today, I'm going to tell you how to consistently make $10,000 a day from day trading. Spoiler alert, you can't. That's the harsh reality, plain and simple. People hear all kinds of promises about easy money and end up chasing schemes that almost always lead to losing more than they gain. But that quote about time and money, it rings true. I'm sure you've had a moment after a long workday checking your finances, realizing that no matter how hard you push, true financial freedom feels out of reach. Even a raise barely keeps up with inflation. It's so frustrating that it makes you want to start wondering if there's another way. Keep watching, because I'm about to tell you exactly what that way is. I know because I've been there. My name's David, and 20 years ago I was in the same position, but I made a decision. I was going to find a way to generate passive income no matter what it took. I had no idea that I'd eventually end up in one of the key roles at EA Automatic, but trading caught my attention. The markets, the charts, it was a way out of the grind, and frankly, I had nothing to lose. Worst case, I could always go back to the 9-to-5 life, but I wasn't going to let fear hold me back. Of course, I didn't quit my job right away. I knew I needed money to start investing, and more importantly, a plan. Now, fast forward 2 decades, here I am, having navigated the financial crises of 2008, the dot-com bubble before that, and every market challenge in between. I've built solid passive income, earned more than I ever thought possible, and gained the kind of experience you can't get from a textbook. But let me be clear, it wasn't easy. I've lost accounts, spent sleepless nights trying to figure it all out, and learned the hard way that markets don't care about your plans. The stress, the mistakes, the uncertainty, it's all part of the journey. But through those years, I've built up something even more valuable than money: resilience and a clear understanding of what works and what doesn't. And the truth is, starting out as a trader is brutal. The internet is full of so-called experts and selling strategies, but at the end of the day, it's all probability, math mixed with emotion. And for most people, trading feels like gambling. You win some, you lose some, and then emotions take over. Stats don't lie. 95% of traders lose their deposits chasing fast money. Then maybe you think, maybe Forex is outdated and crypto's the future. Switch your focus, hoping this time it'll work. But the result is always the same. Because the issue isn't your strategy or the market that you're trading. It's that you're human. Humans make mistakes. They get tired, emotional, and overconfident. And in trading, those things are the perfect recipe for loss. But what if you could take out the human factor entirely? Back in 2022, AI was everywhere. After years of experience, me and my partners, we gathered a team of developers, machine learning engineers, and traders to create something truly groundbreaking. The goal wasn't just another bot. We wanted to build an AI that could make decisions based on real-time data, manage risk, and adapt to market shifts, all without the fatigue, emotion, or mistakes that come with human involvement. A system designed for steady, consistent growth. This wasn't just a weekend project. We poured tens of thousands of dollars into development, ran countless tests, and refined every detail. Finally, we got to a trading tool we're genuinely proud of. Now, in 2025, I am thrilled to introduce our bot, programmed to get smarter every day. It's powered by the data and strategies of the top 300 traders, and it analyzes and assesses markets in real time to make calculated decisions to help grow your account, even in volatile markets. You don't need to be a financial expert to use it. Contact us today and we'll guide you through the process step by step to get you started quickly and easily. Once the bot is set up and running, you're free to focus on what matters most to you: work, family, or even learning trading at your own pace. We take care of everything from consultation to installation and provide you with a dedicated trader to support you throughout. But let me be real, this bot isn't going to make you $10,000 a day. That's not how trading works. What it will do is work for you tirelessly. Avoid getting emotional and stick to strategies designed for steady, sustainable gains. It's about long-term growth, not overnight success. My offer is straightforward. Use the full version completely free. No time limits. Take all the time you need. If you don't profit, we don't make a penny. We're just as committed to your success as you are. It's about creating a system that works, giving you back control and helping you make smarter decisions in the market. So, the choice is yours. Use modern tech to simplify your path and reach your goals, or keep wasting money and energy chasing the next big thing. Ready to start? Contact us now. Let's get you on the path to smarter trading.